Audio Jungle.
Hello my friends, I am Aditya and your host and host today.
Hi, I'm Sanvi.
Sanvi, have you ever wondered what life would be without electricity, water, trees? Not a very good sight, is it? Well, it could very well be your bleak future. No? Then we need to work hand in hand to avoid this. How? Let me introduce you to Tata Power's Club Energy. Club Energy is a resource conservation club for students. It aims at countering energy crisis and natural resource scarcity. This is done in a systematic end-to-end manner, right from creating awareness to actionables. See, most of the electricity produced in India comes from coal from trees. And trees are a source of preserving water resources and help in increasing rainfall. And of course, water, it is the elixir of life. So Club Energy has 6 important points under its energy conservation program. Save electricity, save water, grow more trees, save fuel, reduce, reuse, recycle, active citizenship.
Wow, that is interesting.
Isn't it? Today let us talk about water conservation. Did you know that out of all the water available in the world, only 3% is usable?
Really?
Yes, it's sad. It has been estimated that by 2025, 1.8 billion people will live in areas plagued by water scarcity, with 2/3 of the world's population living in water-stressed regions. In India alone, the groundwater has decreased by 61% in the last 10 years. It's alarming. Can you imagine living with no water to bathe, clean your homes, or even to drink? Major cities around the world are facing a day zero kind of situation as the water crisis worsens. Among the top 10 listed by Forbes is our very own city of gardens, Bangalore, which unfortunately has no gardens left anymore. We can prevent this crisis through water conservation by saving water.
How can we save water at home?
There are plenty of things you can do at home to save water. Turn off the tap when washing utensils or brushing teeth. Use a bucket instead of shower for bathing. Fix leaks. Every drop counts. Clean cars with wet cloth instead of hose pipes. Water the potted plants early in the morning to avoid faster evaporation in the sun. Use only as much water as required.
But outside my home, I see people waste water. What should I do?
You can even promote water conservation in your society. Convince your society members to install a rainwater harvesting system. Build wells and keep them covered to reduce water evaporation. Set up sewage treatment plants to reuse and refine water for toilets and plants. Seems simple, isn't it? Wonder what we are waiting for.
And what about the whole town? Is there something we can do about it?
Yes, you definitely can. With your town corporator or committee, you can promote the importance of keeping the water bodies clean and free of any garbage. During festivals, appeal to devotees to use household or artificial tanks to immerse the idols. Drop the used flowers and garlands in a separate bin and not in the lakes or rivers.
How can we help the poor farmers to get enough water for their farms?
That is a very good question. A difficult task, but not impossible. You can join cooperative movements in villages, creating awareness and explaining the importance of farming using the drip irrigation method, building small dams and canals, and of course, rainwater harvesting. These measures can ensure year-long water supply for the farms, thereby producing more yield and better profits for the farmers. Water is a great source for generating hydroelectricity, which is clean energy. So ultimately, saving water helps us save energy and control climatic changes. There are a lot of ways you can help save electricity. Some time ago, I met a few friends who gave me some wonderful tips. Let's talk to them.
To save energy, just follow the 6 golden rules. One of the best energy saving devices is the switch. Switch off lights, fans, computers, television and all other electrical appliances when not in use.
Keep your ACs at 24 degrees or more, as every increase by 1 degree will save up to 2.5% of the total power consumed.
Use CFL bulbs as they save 1/3 of the energy compared to other regular bulbs.
Please use Bureau of Energy Efficiency 5-star rated appliances only.
Unplug all electrical appliances such as televisions and mobile chargers when not in use.
Use solar power energy for heating and cooling appliances, which consume more than 50% of the household energy.
Isn't that amazing? Let us also see how we can monitor our electricity bill and see what difference we are making with all our energy saving efforts.
It's very easy to read your electricity bill. It tells you how much you have consumed and how much you have to pay.
This is where your name and address appears.
Your energy supplier's name and contact details.
The bill period means the number of days you've been charged for.
See the number of units of electricity you have used in kilowatt hour. This indicates the bill amount which you need to pay. You better not forget the due date on your bill.
And finally, your meter number. Just to ensure that it is your meter they are actually reading, and it will always remain the same.
We have learned so much about saving water and energy today. To get more information, log on to our website www.clubenergy.com. You may also follow Club Energy on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Let me also give you a creative idea that you can do it yourself to save and use water more efficiently.
Thank you so much. I promise I'll take every possible step to save every drop of water, and I'll tell my friends too.
That's a smart kid. So together let's make a pledge towards Club Energy's efforts at making this country a better and more beautiful place that can remain green and bountiful for years and years to come.
Yes, we shall.